Hey, today I'm going to be hunting in Park 1 mode, and I'll let you know I'm doing a multi-frequency, but every once in a while I switch to the 40 megahertz just to check a few items. Should be a penny here with a solid 22. Penny to me, but yeah. There it is. 1 penny.
This ends up to be a 1967 penny.
Up to be my first buckle, and I don't know how old that is, but there's also a nail in that same spot, so pretty cool. Hello diggers, I just finished my dig here today, and I've got a few things that I'll show you at the end, but it wasn't all that successful. There was a lot of things that sounded, you know, like a penny, and it ended up to be some silver thing, and it just wasn't that great of a day for hunting. But anyway, it was a day out. Hello diggers, welcome to my unveiling of my bag. Yeehaw! What do we got today? Well, let me tell you, it was an exciting day today. Found Lisner herring box. That was about a foot down in the ground. And I'll clean this up and just find out how old this thing is. But anyway, it was quite the find. I was surprised. I thought it was a little money bag or a money box. And then we've got some other junk, a little blue bar of some sort. It was a frame. We've got this one, really surprised me. It gave a nice 27, 28. I thought I'd get a ring, but it was just a little bracket of some sort. Got some more metal. Again, this is just iron plate of some sort. We've got I got a couple of pop can rings, more junk, and then some sort of bracket. Some of this looks like it's kind of army related because it's around an army base I was at. More junk. Great find. Another car for my garage. Needs to be detailed first, but we'll get it going. And also found another one. This one was a little chopped. Little Matchbox toys. This one's quite heavy. I think it's lead of some sort. And this is another part of it. An old rusty square nail. So a little buckle. And that's my first buckle that I found, and it's kind of cute. I'll take a close-up shot for you later. And also, I apologize for my hair. It is one of those bad hair days from underneath your earmuffs and in your hat. So next time, be a little bit more coiffed. But thanks for watching. One more nail, and that's it for the find. Other than my little penny, I was coin-wise today. There wasn't very much. I just had one copper penny, and that was my finds for the day. Anyway, so I'll edit